Want to eat deep fried food but health conscious? Planning to buy an air fryer? Then keep watching this video. Get to know the best air fryers in India along with their pros, cons and buying options so that you get the ideal one for family and friends. Hi guys, welcome back to Desi Dime, and if you're interested in buying an air fryer then keep watching this video.
To save your money on online shopping by getting best deals via shopping discussion, visit desidime.com. To never miss our latest videos on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss another update. Follow us on social media to get regular updates on our latest deals and coupon codes.
So here are top 6 air fryers of India. On number 6, we have Xioami Smart Air Fryer. 2 reasons of why you should buy this is: number 1, you can switch it on and off with your voice via Google Assistant. The second reason is that you can schedule it to run automatically. This is useful when you want food and ready as soon as you reach home. The temperature ranges from 40 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees, changes temperature automatically in a particular range. There are different cooking method options like baking, roasting and heating. Coming to the pros and cons, the very first pros is works great for continuous cooking. Selecting recipes from MI app sets the cooking mode automatically. OLED or touchscreen control. Machine pauses when the basket is pulled out and resumes when inserted back. Thus, it shows efficiency. Fast processing supports dehydration and fermentation. Last but not the least, comes with a grilling rack which can be used simultaneously with basket food. Now, coming to the cons. The Smart Schedule feature might backfire if you are a beginner. Can cause burnt food, machine damage, fire burnt, etc. issues. However, MI has overheat protection to avoid major issues. Now coming to the price, it only costs Rs 7,000. Next in line, we have Havells Prolife Digi Air Fryer. This Havells air fryer comes with a separator so you can cook 2 different items at once in the same basket. Interior is metal plated, so no need to worry about burning. The best trusted option after Philips. Coming to the cooking modes, we have various methods, for example frying, baking, toast, roast, grill and reheat. The capacity of this air fryer is 4 liters. Coming to the pros and cons section. Coming to the pros, patented basket is designed well with proper perforation. Good build quality, 60 minutes timer, better air filtration and keeps out odor. Good customer service and 2 years of warranty. Coming to the cons section, processing speed is mediocre. Call button is misleading. Also is the mode button which is for temperature settings. Setting a higher temperature is annoying as a single press increases it by only 1 minute. Coming to the price, it ranges between 6,000 to 8,000 rupees. On number 4, we have Philips Digital Air Fryer. Only brand to have a patent 360-degree rapid air technology for air fryers. NutriU app for recipes, vegan options, precise cooking, process guides, AI to suggest recipes. It comes with a 7 preset menu. Coming to the cooking modes, we have various options like grilling, baking, air fry, roast, defrost, dehydrated, toast, reheat. Talking about the capacity, it weighs 4.1 liters. Coming to the pros and cons section of this air fryer. Talking about the pros, gives great quality food even with no oil. Keep warm feature, keeps food hot and fresh until 30 minutes after it's cooked. Energy efficient and fast processing. 10 plus years of experience, 2 years worldwide guarantee. Coming to the cons section, 1500 volt power. Most brands in this segment comes with 1500 volt power. Misses shake alert. Coming to the buying option, it costs 8,500 rupees. Coming to the next, we have Inalsa Air Fryer Lite. Again, here you get 6 preset menus but with manual time and temperature guidelines. Go for an upper level digital installer model to get automatic model. This air fryer has a cooking pan as well as a basket, giving that extra layer of security. Uses 1 unit of electricity for around 45 minutes of work. Coming to the cooking modes, you get grill, bake, air fry, reheat and roast options. Now talking about the capacity, this air fryer weighs 4 liters. Coming to the pros section, heats up quickly, overheat protection, 2 years of warranty, can use foil or parchment paper, preheat couple set. Talking about the con section, temperature starts from 140 degrees Celsius, so exact low temperature cooking is tough to achieve. During preheat gives burning smell, but that's fine in terms of operation. Outer body gets heated sometimes, so take care. So the buying options in Amazon is around 4,950 rupees. Now on number 2, we have Pigeon Digital Air Fryer for home. This 1200 watt digital air fryer from Pigeon is one of the best low priced air fryers, 8 preset menus. Normally, control panels are on the front, but here it is on the top, making it more user friendly. Cooking modes are grill, bake, air fryer, roast and deep roast. Talking about its capacity, it weighs 4.2 liters. Now about the pros. Smart scheduler, visually appealing and cost effective. Talking about its cons, minimum features, medium paced food processing. About the buying options, on Amazon you might get it for rupees 3,560. Now time for our number 1 air fryer, Kent Classic Hot Air Fryer. The Kent Classic Hot Air Fryer does give preset menu instructions on the top, 30 minutes timer. Now talking about the cooking modes, it has various options like grilling, baking, air fry, reheat and roast. It has a capacity of 4 liters. Talking about the pros, good crispiness, easy to use. Now about the cons, requires preheating every time, slow medium processing. For the price, it only costs rupees 6,200 rupees. This for the 6 top air fryers in India, but if you're looking for more options, you can read about the details in the article which is given below. Now, if you want to buy these air fryers, then the buying link is given in the description. So that is all for today. I hope you liked this video, and for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Till then, bye.